Here's a quick spinach and potato recipe, or Aaloo paalak. And honestly, it really is quick. Took me about 20 minutes. First, let's talk about my spinach. I bought this loose leaf spinach and the leaves are giant. Wash them thoroughly, roll them up, and chop them up into small pieces. Because if you don't, you're going to have like huge pieces of spinach being picked up with your potato. The other thing to keep in mind is when you buy fresh spinach, use it up in 2 to 3 days. Heat some oil, put all of these ingredients. I am sprinkling them in the desi way. Most of the time in curries, you can adjust. Add in your chopped spinach, and I used a medium-sized potato cut up into cubes. Cover and cook until the potatoes are tender. Add in 2 tablespoons or 3 of butter. Bhunify. Bhuning it is going to take it to that next level. Now, in your family, if you have people who take chances, cut and throw in a large chili pepper. Enjoy!